I tried twice by giving IELTS by myself, but still I was not getting the desired score. So I realized that I was missing something when I visit Language Academy. So in first few sessions, I realized my mistake.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. I've got Rizwan with me. He has cleared his IELTS exam. He has got 7 in writing, 7.5 in speaking, and 9 in reading and listening. Congratulations, Rizwan.
Thank you.
Very well done. You have just attended few sessions with us. You're struggling in your writing section, right?
That's right.
First thing I would like to ask you why you thought that I need to go and ask for help, because earlier you were trying by yourself.
That's right.
Why you thought you need someone to guide you rather than just giving another attempt by yourself?
Okay. So as you mentioned, I tried twice by giving IELTS by myself, but still I was not getting the desired score. So I realized that I was missing something. So when I visit Language Academy, I reached to with you guys. So in first few sessions, I realized my mistake. The classes were very thorough. The tutor was very nice, and I realized the things which I was missing. So on the exam day, I tried to not to do those things again, and I got my desired score.
That's it. So basically you came to know your weaknesses and mistakes, right?
That's right.
When you practice by yourself, you think that you are doing right, because you get information from here, you get information from another source, and then you try to combine each and everything.
That's right.
And when you're combining things, you're not really sure if you're doing it the right way or not. So guys, very, very important. If you're missing out, you need to ask for help, because if you'll go and do the same thing again without working on your weaknesses and turning them in your strength, you need to ask for help. Otherwise, the result is going to be same. You have always got 9 in listening. What's the secret behind that?
So the secret behind listening is, like, I believe you have to be very attentive, and you have to be like very focused on those 15 minutes are extremely important. So I personally believe, like, you have to be very attentive, you have to be focused what the speaker is saying on every small detail, and I think that's the secret. And plus, as you practice more, you'll get more better at that.
That's right. That's 100% right, that you practice more, you get better at it. And if you spend 2-3 years in Australia, you will be pretty good with listening.
That's right.
But those 15 minutes are very, very important.
That's right.
Those 15 minutes are very important, and you need to pay 100% attention on what's going on, what the speaker is referring to, and what the speaker is talking about. And if you do so, everything will go into the flow. Reading section 9 as well, a perfect score. I really want to know what's the secret behind that as well. A lot of students do struggle with reading. What is the secret behind that?
So for the reading, I personally believe it's the practice. As long as you practice more, you will get in the flow, you will know what to do, what to look after, which information to look after. I believe skimming is very important. You have to skim through the information. 1 hour is okay, but you have to be very fast for every section, like what can be the answer and what not. So I personally believe it's the practice which will make you better.
That's right. So skimming and understanding the context, and when you practice, you automatically get that speed.
That's right.
If you don't practice, you will lag behind the time. Once you practice, you'll get used to things, and you'll finish everything within the given time frame, and your accuracy will go up as well. One thing I want to ask you, right? When you attended the sessions for writing, Ripan pointed out few of your mistakes, right? What were the mistakes which you were making?
So first of all, I was not following the structure which I was supposed to do in part A and part B, because I wasn't aware of that, and I was just trying to do it myself. But when I attended first session, she pointed out the structure which I should follow, and she went through my one essay, and she found out many mistakes, quite a few which I was doing, like present tense, perfect, the verb, whatever. So that's really important. So which I was not trying to identify myself, but she did, and I'm glad that she found out, so I could work into that, and I got the score.
That's right. So very, very important, guys. You follow the right structure and see your sentence formation as well, if you're using the sentence structure properly or not. If you're forming complex sentences, you need to make sure that each and everything within the sentence structure and overall structure is correct as well. Here's one final question for you. A lot of students out there have the same question: why IELTS? Why IELTS? Because everyone is going for PT, everyone is trying to do NATI. You are planning to do your PT now.
That's right.
Why you have done IELTS? What is the reason behind that?
So my personal reason for attending IELTS was I was planning to apply for Canadian immigration. So that was the main reason. And yes, many people are attending PT, but depending on the current situation of the immigration policy of Australia, I thought it would be a better chance to apply for Canada as well. And let's see how things goes in near future. So that was my main reason.
That's right. So it's more about opening as many doors you can.
That's
right?
right. That's right.
Because you never know what's going to happen in the future. Things can be easy, things can be tight as well. So try to open as many doors you can, so that once you are 1 year ahead, once you get into the next year, you don't face any kind of difficulty. Despite the fact you face many changes, there will be changes in the rules and immigration policies, but if you open many doors, a lot of doors for yourself, things are going to be very easy. That's it from this video, guys. Make sure you keep on practicing and keep all the doors, all the options open for you, so that everything is easy and everything falls into the place. Thanks for coming and thanks for joining.
It's
Really a
my
pleasure to have.
Thank you so much.
Thanks guys. That's it from this video. I'll see you very soon with another success story. Thank you.